Hi, and welcome back to another domino trick tutorial. I'm B16, and today I will be doing a tutorial on the Backwimo wall. Now, this is a trick I recently invented, and I've seen tons of comments asking if I could do a tutorial on the Backwimo wall, so that's what I've decided to do. And before we get into this, please make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so the first step is to just start building a Backwimo foundation. So just build a normal Backwimo. You want a domino on its face with another domino on top of it, in the middle of it, leaning over as much as possible without falling off like that. So you can build as many of these as you want, but in this case I will do 5. And make sure the spacing between each section is about 1.5 dominoes thickness. So that's 2, and this is about 1.5. And once you've done that, take 2 more purple dominoes and create another Backwimo unit, and this time put it on the left. This will be the starting unit for the Backwimo wall. And now you want to grab a few orange dominoes and place them vertically on the edges of each green domino on the floor. Like this. Then you want to grab a few yellow dominoes and put one horizontally on the first purple unit, and then place the rest vertically, bridging between each unit. Like this. Okay, after that you want to make sure that this maroon domino on the end is leaning over a bit more on the left, about 1 domino's thickness, so this way. Just like that. And if you need to, push it out a little bit more like that. Then put a yellow domino on the end, so that if you look from the right side, it should make an upside down T from the yellow and maroon dominoes. And next you want to grab some more orange dominoes and just repeat exactly what you did on the other half, except on this side. Okay, next step you want to grab a few blue dominoes and place them horizontally, bridging between each of the orange dominoes. Like this. And you also want to do it on the other side. And then after that, take 4 more green dominoes and place them on their faces right next to each of the green dominoes on the ends of the wall. On each 4 edges. And then you want to take 4 more orange dominoes and place them on these green dominoes. Make sure they're exactly one domino's thickness away from the edge, like that. And then repeat on each 4 sides as well. And next you want to grab 8 blue dominoes and place one of them bridging between the 2 orange dominoes on each of the orange dominoes, like that. And then take 4 more blue dominoes and you want to slant each one like that. And next up, you want to grab a few more green dominoes and repeat exactly what you did on the bottom layer. So bridge these green dominoes over the blue ones, again mirroring exactly what you did on the bottom of the green dominoes. And then when you get to the edges, just make a line of 3 green dominoes. So you're going to have a small overhang on the edge right here that's about 1 domino's thickness. And then after that, grab some pink dominoes and make some squares like this by putting 2 dominoes side to side. Then grab them with your hand and bridge them between the green dominoes like that. Then once you get to the edges, place 1 just like that so that it's overhanging on the edge, and then place 1 more directly on top of the green domino like that. And then I will form another square and place it right here. Then do the same exact thing on the left as you did on the right. And this is 1 layer of the Backwimo wall. So next, you're just going to want to repeat everything you did on the bottom. So start once again with the green dominoes, forming the Backwimo foundation. Then 3 in a row on the edges. And 3 more on the left edge. Then next, grab the maroon dominoes and overhang them, this time to the left side, because the Backwimo is going to go like this. It's going to zigzag through the wall. Then remember, on each maroon domino on the end, overhang it to the opposite side about 1 domino's thickness, just like that. And then move the green domino that it's resting on a little over, just like that. And next is the orange layer, so place the vertical dominoes on the edges of the green dominoes. And then grab some more yellow dominoes and take 1 yellow domino like this and place it, adjust the camera a little, place it on top of the yellow domino that's hanging over on the maroon domino, just like that, so that it's hugging this pink domino. And then take another domino and lean it on that yellow domino, just like that. So you should see a slight tilt in this yellow domino. Then just keep placing these dominoes, bridging between the maroon dominoes. Then this last one should form an upside down T with the yellow and maroon dominoes. And then place the other orange dominoes on the edges of the green dominoes. And then take 4 more orange dominoes. Take 4 more orange dominoes and place them on each of the green dominoes sticking out. And again, they should be exactly 1 domino's thickness from the edge of the green domino. And then next is the blue layer, so go ahead and bridge a horizontal blue domino between 2 orange dominoes and do it on both sides. And then take 4 more blue dominoes and bridge them between the 2 orange dominoes on the edges, sticking out like that. And then take 4 more blue dominoes and slant them like that. And then repeat the green layer. And now the pink layer, so form a square by placing 2 flat dominoes like that, and then bridge them between the green dominoes. Then repeat the green layer. And now this is the top layer, so you don't need the orange dominoes. So take some maroon dominoes, and this time they should overhang to the right. Then I would take off the last 2 units because this is the final layer and you want to continue it into a domino line, so I'd also take off these 3 green dominoes. So now put a yellow domino on top of that yellow domino, and then another yellow domino on top of that one, like that. Then more yellow dominoes across the top. And then place one more right here on the end of the Backwimo. And now take some black dominoes and create a domino line. Then you want to start curving it right here. It's going to go off this end sticking out. It's a bit tricky trying to get this curve perfect. That's pretty good. And now you want to take some more black dominoes and place 3 in a row at the bottom. Like that. Then 3 more. About 1.5 dominoes thickness away from those. Then go ahead and lean these 3 dominoes on the other 3 dominoes, just like that. And then put 2 dominoes together, like this. And then 1. And then just continue your domino line from there. And then to start this Backwimo wall, you want to take a few more black dominoes and just build a domino line leading up to the yellow domino. Just like that. Okay, so the way this should work is when I knock over these black dominoes, they will fall and knock off that yellow domino, which will... Oops, that was close. Okay. Which will start the Backwimo, which will go through the wall, through the bottom layer. And then on this side, adjust the camera a little. On this side, when this one falls off, that will also fall off, and so will that, which will unbalance the maroon domino, which will continue the Backwimo through the middle layer, and then the same thing will happen on this side, which will continue Backwimo on the top layer, and then it will start this black domino line, and this one will fall and hit these black dominoes, continuing the domino line. And I will knock it down in 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it and also subscribe and share this with your family and friends. Thank you. Goodbye.